From humble beginnings in 1985, today Welspun Group takes pride in being one of the world's largest home textile manufacturers and large diameter pipe makers, and finds a place in India's Fortune 500 list too. All thanks to creating category-defining products. And we aim to replicate that in flooring through Welspun Flooring. Just the thought of dust, noise, mess and the time it takes to change floors, along with the lack of exciting designs, forced people to resist a change in flooring. Not anymore. Welspun Flooring has introduced innovative products with new age, personalized and exciting designs. So be it a new space or an old floor, we are all about change for the better. We have our innovative products to speak for ourselves. Welspun Flooring's click and lock tiles are a revolution in the flooring segment. For those looking for comfort of carpets in a convenient tile form, our carpet tiles are the right fit. If people want flooring with a seamless charm, they don't have to look any further than our wall-to-wall carpets. Or if they wish for something that looks like a real grass, or even better, greens is what we have for them. And with our path-breaking fusion flows, customers can turn designers by mixing and matching products and designs. Welspun's state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Hyderabad is spread over a sprawling 200 acres area with 1,000+ employees involved in the fine crafting of world-class flooring solutions. This plant is an epitome of the latest technology with a production capacity of 40 million square meters annually. An exclusive installation training academy and experience center, in-house design lab, green and sustainable production make this $200 million+ US investment an experience like no other. With areas assigned for every step of the manufacturing process, multiple teams work closely to give rise to luxurious flooring solutions that can transform any space in no time. Carefully demarcated zones for each of the production units, widespread storage space for products, separate zones for vehicle entry and exit points, ample space for our team to work and operate with ease. All finished products are safely packaged in a professional manner. And it's also India's largest manufacturing facility with the prestigious LEED Gold certification. We are also Global Recycled Standard GRS4 compliant. With a fully equipped in-house health center, Welspun exercises strict safety measures to ensure complete employee well-being in times of COVID-19. From sourcing the finest raw materials to delivering high-quality flooring, Welspun ensures a strict control across its value chain. No wonder we have emerged into the fastest-growing player in the building material industry. Welspun Flooring is the sole manufacturer of both hard and soft flooring in this part of the world. We truly believe in the power of local, make in India. The revolution in flooring is here with Welspun Flooring. Change for the better.